So my name's Sam, I'm the vicar of St Barnabas Hattersley, and we are in the vicarage right now, and we are sitting in our new SIP build extension. We love our new SIP build extension. It's become a real hub of the home. The family use it loads. We eat in here, we entertain in here. We have also put a pool table in here, so we play together in here as well. It's brought us out into the garden as well, because it goes out into there and really connects the two spaces together. It's become an amazing space for our family, a really wonderful space for our church, and it just feels like a real beautiful part of our home. Everyone who walks into this space says, wow. We had some friends over just last week and they hadn't been here since we'd had the extension. They walked in and said, what an incredible space. The installation process was great. Droylsden sent a team out who chatted with us about the kind of things that we wanted, what we wanted from the space, and the builders were great. They were respectful, they kept themselves to themselves. We were able to live in our home quite happily and comfortably with the build going on around us, so it worked really well. The room itself, because it's a SIP build, really holds the heat well. We only have one electric radiator in here and it adequately heats the space at a very low cost as well, so it's really good in regards to its thermal qualities. Where the extension's built, it's quite a dark side of the house, so we needed to maximise on light. My wife had the brilliant idea of putting roof lights in at the top, which has made a tremendous difference to the space. It just opens it up, makes it feel more light, more airy. The stone slip finish around the extension is really nice, and it matches the rest of the home, which I'm sure wasn't a straightforward thing to do, but they've managed to source it, find it, and it works really well with the rest of the build, which is great. My neighbours were asking about who had done our extension. I explained it was Droylsden, and they said it was unbelievable how quiet the whole build process was. It wasn't intrusive on them at all, and that it had gone up incredibly quickly as well, which they were very impressed with. I'd recommend Droylsden Glass to anyone. I feel that their communication especially was absolutely fantastic. So throughout the whole project, I was rung by management, just checking in, seeing if I was happy with things, asking about the people who were coming to site. The people who were coming to site were respectful and really good at their jobs and got on with it really efficiently as well. It was a very quick process. So yeah, we were really impressed.